Tenderfoot rank requirement 4D. Assemble a personal first aid kit to carry with you on future campouts and hikes. Tell how each item in the kit would be used. The Boy Scout Handbook recommends the following items to be in your personal first aid kit for hiking and camping. 6 adhesive bandages of assorted sizes, 2 3x5 sterile gauze pads, 1 small roll of adhesive tape, 1 3x6 inch piece of moleskin, 1 small bar of soap or travel-sized bottle of hand sanitizer, 1 small tube of antibiotic ointment, 1 pair of scissors, 1 pair of tweezers, 1 pair of non-latex disposable gloves, 1 CPR breathing barrier, and a pencil and paper. I personally recommend that you find a red bag in order to put your first aid kit in. Make sure it's a bag in which water cannot get into. This list is not the complete list of items that you can have in your first aid kit, but it is a good start. This has been another video from Scouter Rob. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos.